Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where somebody's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Watching 363 here to potentially go long. And I missed, all right, in there on the back test. So let's see if we can push up some more here. So all out there, hesitated a bit much for me, but nice $290 move. And I mean, it's 9:33, so I'm not sure many places in the world where you can make $290 in less than 5 minutes. So I will take that. What is that? 193, 193.50. If you're not familiar, I do offer a private trading community, so that awkward pause there was just me typing and making an alert to the community. And just to go back on LULU, still just putzing around, not want to quite make that move. Still may go, but like I said, was putzing around a bit too much for me, and that was sorry, again, this is live. I'm trying to analyze, talk to you at the same time. So the catch with that is sometimes there's some of those awkward silences, but that was just intended to be a relatively small scalp. Would have liked a bit more out of it, but like I said, I gave it enough time. Didn't really show that it wanted to make a quicker move, and now you can see it is coming back down red. So played that one just fine. Let's go over here to NVIDIA. 269. Yeah, these ones are a little scary right now because it's pretty strong. But okay, I will go ahead and pause. But yeah, currently up 290. All right, it is 9:45, and I'm going to just go ahead and call it a day. I usually do what's called the be done in 30 approach, where I'm looking to be done after right around 30 minutes. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. Today, clearly less by quite a bit. Just because this is one of many, I call this a side hustle for myself because I have multiple streams of income, and I would encourage you to do the same. That's where true freedom comes from, when you have income coming in from a bunch of different directions. So I do day trading, like I said, as a form of income, as a side hustle, meaning I don't feel like sitting here all day long. I am doing multiple streams of income because I want the freedom of time. I want to be able to go and do whatever I want. So if I want to go work on my real estate investing business, I can do that. If I want to work on the teaching business at claytrader.com, I can do that. I can go spend time with my kids. So like I said, everybody's different in their goals and in their life. For me, as a father of 5 kids, I want to be able to have freedom of time. And if I can put $290 in my pocket after 15 minutes, I'm going to do that. But the funny thing here, I was looking at the math. And for those of you longer time viewers, one of the big questions, Clay, do you ever go long? Do you ever buy? It seems like all you do is go short. And I did. I went long for a total of right there, 29 seconds. So yeah, I go long. I mean, it may only be 29 seconds long, but I do go long. So, and I say that tongue in cheek as a joke, but yes, I definitely do usually go short more than I do go long, but I did do that here. So for those of you wondering that, I'm glad I got you a long-sided trade, even though it only lasted 29 seconds, which is still bonkers. 29 seconds yet, made $290. The market is a crazy place. So that's all I have for you. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. So one trade, 29 seconds, going long, $290. I'm very happy with that. I'm not a greedy savage. I'm quite grateful. So thank you for hanging out. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Everybody take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.